Kurigana na riboti irekereirio ni munene wa borithi Joseph Boinett, borithi no mathiete na mbere na uthuthuria wa gikuu kia murugamiriri munene wa ICT kamiti-ini ya IEBC Chris Msando na Maryanne Wairimu aria mĩĩrĩ yao yonekanire tetwo mutito-ini wa Muguga kaunti-ini ya Kiambu muthenya wa Jumamothi.
Players in the security sector had a meeting.
Gukinyia riu borithi ni mahotete kuhunga mahuri andu atandatu kuria marethana na angi ana aria kurerikana maya gukorwo na uteithio munene. Uthuthuria-ini ucio riboti iria hithuritio ni Joseph Boinett.
We have taken statements from 6 individuals and there are 4 other persons of interest whom we are looking for, and as Pia said, we would really wish to appeal to Kenyans that we that we allow the family space to mourn, and the security agency space as well to investigate this matter, and to once again also reiterate the fact that we are determined to get the murderers and bring them to justice.
Boinett aritio uriri naguo mwiri wa Maryanne Wairimu ukorirwo gikwo uthuthuria ni abithaa munene wa thirikari Johansen Odwol na kuonania arakwire na njira ya gwitwo na mukanda. Mwiri wa Wairimu ukorirwo gitwaro nyumba-ini ya kuiga miĩrĩ ya Kihara kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuma kuria uraigitwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miĩrĩ ya City. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Maina Kihumo.